Hey there! Have you ever thought about doing a concrete project but hesitated due to the mess and time pressure? And if things went wrong, you'd be left with a dried-up concrete disaster. Trust me, I've been there too. But guess what? I stumbled upon some incredibly inspiring dry pour concrete YouTube videos by Cajun Country Living and Michael Builds that completely shifted my perspective. So, I decided to give it a shot with a smaller project. A 16-inch by 16-inch by 2-inch slab. No major commitment, right? Now, let's get started with the frame. I grabbed some 1-inch by 3-inch by 8-inch furring wood strips. I crafted these wooden stakes from leftover wood, and a bit of screw magic turned them into frame sidekicks. To ensure easy removal, I added pocket holes at the top. A bit of duct tape magic at the corners keeps things sturdy down below. But hey, if you have a brilliant idea for this, drop it in the comments. Skipping ahead a bit, I prepared the ground. The area has been dug, leveled, and the soil compacted. Moreover, it's at ground level, so I won't have to worry about my lawnmower giving it a trim. With the stage set, I proceeded with the dry pour. I admit, the edges aren't as silky smooth as I had dreamed, but no worries, as these will be covered by the grass. Using the mist setting on the hose, I gently dampened the top layer of concrete. I misted the surface again after 30 minutes. The key is to adjust enough water to slightly change the color. Not too much, not too little. Achieving the right amount of water is crucial at this stage. After an hour, I gave it a light shower and followed with 3 times every hour. And there you have it. After unscrewing and removing the frame, looking pretty darn good, apart from those rugged edges, right? See those holes? Those are the battle scars from the wooden stakes. Nature's coming to the rescue. I'll fill them up with soil. A day later, it's a soil-filled canvas. And 2 weeks down the line, the grass is making its comeback. Mother Nature worked her green magic. And you know what? The adventure doesn't end here. I've got grand plans. I'm thinking of making 25 stepping stones, each measuring 16 inches by 16 inches, for my side yard, extending all the way to my backyard. I can't wait to share it with you. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Be the first to know when the next DIY adventure drops. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this DIY, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. Have a fantastic time. Bye for now.